now while we talking about that segues into what we were going to talk about too. Mm-hmm. We need to cancel T.I. and Tiny too.
Man, what's up with T.I. though? For real. Okay, R. Kelly's a nasty ass pervert. I hope he stays in prison for a long time. What the hell is up with T.I. and his dumb ass over there riding around on a bicycle without his passport on him? Did y'all see that?
In the room, on the back. Yeah, I heard about it. But you know what? Too bad he didn't bring no weed back or something. That's the problem.
Oh my God.
See, the nigga should have brought. See, the problem is that T.I. was doing too much. He need to smoke some more weed. I understand that, he the king and all that, but he doing the most. Tiny doing the most. All these folks doing the most. Here's the thing: if people are gonna be doing something in the secret, and if it's something on that level where there's a violation of natural order, expect to get exposed one day, one way or another.
Right.
Period. It's going to happen. Somebody's going to. It ain't nothing new under the sun. Mm-hmm. Somebody's going to figure out, okay, what the hell was you doing? Oh, yeah, that's why you was sneaking around here. It's the same thing with a relationship. So mm-hmm. It's fun at first where you cheating, getting away with it. Ain't nobody knowing. You ain't like. But at the end of the day, when the shit start revealing itself, it gets ugly. It's like peeling back an onion. Mm-hmm. Like, damn, I did all that. Yep, for every stroke that you put out, yep, she getting stroked down double time.
Yep. So, thank you, Sosa. He said, why the hell is he traveling anyway? He got like cases on him. Yeah, he's over here. Him and his wife allegedly doing their own little R. Kelly. Well, no, I ain't gonna call it R. Kelly shit. But they doing their own little allegedly, all them allegations against T.I. and Tiny.
Well, you know what though? See, like I said, I don't know because allegations is just that. They're almost like opinions until the facts are given. But because everything is so hyper this and cancel that and you are homophobic this if you don't believe or if or this person or this nigga stuck his thumb in this rapper's ass and this rapper this rapper over here was seen sticking his tongue in Kanye's ear.
Oh Lord!
Everything because everybody got it's just dramatic. Just
I know.
Stupid. Like, please, everybody just get a fucking grip. Do something. Drink a beer. Drink a shot. Smoke some weed. Get some ass. Do something. But just go to work. Start a business. Do like my sis do. She 500. Matter of fact. Y'all funky asses that's listening, tell 400 and something 99 more y'all dusty ass friends to get up on here and hook it up. We need that million spot. We ain't worried about that.
Y'all we need that million views spot. So hey, make sure y'all share the video. Tell everybody subscribe to the Hood Table. And for a lot of y'all who do not know about what happened with T.I. or did not see him on Instagram, I'm about to play 2 videos. The first video is 2 minutes. The second one is shorter than that. It's about 20 seconds. So I'm going to show y'all when he was arrested and after he got released. So let's check this out. Everybody mute your microphone.
So I'm locked up now. I'm obviously not supposed to have my phone as I'm biking, and because the policeman ran into me and broke his his rear view,
Don't you have and they're gonna take it?
Yes, I'm getting it right now. I'm trying to get it from them right now. And because I didn't have my passport on me, I don't know. It'll be fine. But he was extremely upset. I was having a great time still. I'm still not upset. I'm having a phenomenal time. They arrested me and didn't even put me in handcuffs. They just opened the door and invited me to the back seat. I obliged. Man, let me call so I can make my bond. Let me see, man, how I can make my bond right quick, bro, because they don't take cash. I got cash in my pocket.
Rubber band man, rubber band man.
Take this. You know, I'm telling you, I ain't got no handcuff put on me yet. They ain't searched me. We working on the buddy system out here, and I like it.
The buddy system.
I like it, man. But I tell you what.
Oh shit.
I'm finna call my people and get my passport and shit. So they can come on up here and I just swipe the card to get me out. Some shit like that. Man, this is great, man. You know what I'm saying? This is actually experiencing the culture as it is. This is living life to the fullest in the moment. You dig? All right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I ain't got caught up talking.
Okay, so that was a video of when he first got arrested. Now I'm gonna show you the video when he got released. I'm telling you, this shit is like crazy. Like he went up in there like, hey, it ain't nothing. Hey, you know, this is living life. I'm experiencing the culture. You know, hold on. Let me show y'all the other video real quick, y'all. Lord have mercy. Okay, hold on. Let me make it large. Oh, I don't think I can make this one large. Hold on.
Man, we okay, man. Caroline, you good? You good? We okay, Caroline.
I've done real time before.
Caroline, man, we okay, man. Caroline, you good? You good? We okay, Caroline.
Ooh, child. Ain't that crazy though? You're in a whole nother country, you get arrested and they don't handcuff you, they don't throw you in the back of the seat, they don't throw you in the ground.
That's because that's their customs. I mean, because it's not a non-violent crime, just like a traffic stop, basically equivalent.
But then we in America, let us not have our driver's license on us.
We going to jail or getting slammed on the ground or guns pointing to you. You know, motherfuckers want to run all the, just like up in Chicago where they ran up in the, now they want to talk about, they want to apologize. Okay, this was 2019. Now y'all want to talk about, well, we need to try to settle this. No, fuck that. Y'all ran up in them people, traumatized them girls. Them kids are still traumatized. That family's still traumatized almost 2 years later. And y'all still up here talking about
when they knocked the little boy's cake on the ground and shit.
All that when they kicked that family's door open, they don't know who the fuck they was looking for. Talking about there was some suspects in the area. Mm-hmm. So you just randomly went to somebody's shit and kicked their shit in.
Yep. Yep. And then overseas, you can go overseas to the whole Netherlands and not have any identifiable proof that you're even supposed to be there. And he said they politely put me in the back of the police car. He said, we working on the buddy system. I was like hollering.
Like, God, I mean, because on the real, you got to think too, this is a man that's the dead penitentiary time in the U.S. It's different in them over in them countries. I mean, I ain't saying that those jails, they do have jails over there that's just, I'm talking about like horrid, but
right.
He wasn't in that area where he had to go to a horror prison, but over there it's different. It's like the process is different. Like you don't want to get caught up in those type of systems.
Yep. Well, Hososa, he said, what the hell he talking about? He was riding a bike and a cop car hit him. But you know, of course, when they have to talk to you and he probably asked for his ID, and you know that's when he found out he didn't have his passport. But my thing is, I don't care who I am, whether I'm a celebrity or just a nobody, or you know. Well, I guess we ain't all nobody, you know what I mean. But you know, a regular, normal, hardworking person, you know. And I'm overseas. There's one thing, I didn't watch too many movies, seen too many news footage of people getting caught up in some shit without having a damn information on them, their passport, proving that they have a right to be there, and they end up locked up. That passport is going with me everywhere. So that's just crazy. That was crazy to me, but he took it all in stride. He acted like it was just a trip to the zoo.
That's right. Well, I got to pause for the calls. Give me a minute, but the missus up here, she want to talk her little shit. Wow.
Okay, come on, missus. Come on, wifey.
She ain't talking about nothing, but you know it is what it is.
Don't you do our girl like that. Don't do our girl like that.